Welcome to Bahrain International Airport, a testament to the fusion of ancient history and modern convenience. In the next 150 seconds, we'll take you on a journey through the captivating essence of this pivotal hub. Set against the backdrop of the ancient land of Dilmun, Bahrain International Airport stands as a modern marvel with deep historical roots. The island, known for its rich trade and cultural significance, has witnessed the evolution of a simple airfield into a bustling international gateway. Behold the architectural elegance that graces Bahrain International Airport. The terminal's design seamlessly blends tradition and innovation. From the moment you arrive, the sleek lines and cultural motifs offer a visual feast that echoes the nation's heritage. Step into the future with Bahrain International Airport's cutting-edge technology. Security measures and navigation systems work harmoniously to ensure a seamless passenger experience. Witness the orchestration of precision that keeps this aviation hub running smoothly day in and day out. Discover a cultural oasis within the airport's confines. Art galleries showcase Bahrain's local talent, offering travelers a glimpse into the nation's vibrant heritage. Duty-free shops beckon with a curated blend of traditional handicrafts and modern luxuries. Embark on a journey of global connectivity facilitated by Bahrain International Airport. Daily flights link the Gulf to destinations worldwide, serving as a vital bridge for business and leisure travelers alike. As we conclude this brief exploration, Bahrain International Airport stands as a symbol of a nation's progress while honoring its past. Join us on your travels and let this airport be your gateway to the treasures of the Arabian Gulf.